The winter session of the Karnataka legislature began in Belagavi. The opposition BJP held a large-scale farmers' protest yesterday. The large-scale demonstration outside Suvarna Saudha, in fact, saw a participation of nearly 20,000 farmers. The agitation was here focused on farmers' issues, including demands for higher support to prices for maize and sugarcane, the establishment of procurement centres, and also the rising concerns over Tungabhadra Dam's crest gate. But Karnataka Minister H.K. Patel, in fact, slammed at the farmers' protest, calling it unreasonable and immoral. He alleged that central government is saying that this problem is created by the government of India and not the state government.
What farmers' issues? Are they talking of sugarcane growers? Are they talking of maize growers? Are they talking of green gram growers? Are they talking of santrastas from UKP third stage? What problems of farmers? Actually, problem is created by Government of India when fixing MRP, when fixing FRP, when fixing the sugar rate, and they are creating problems for farmers and they want to protest against state government. It is totally bankruptcy of intellectual capability of BJP. Nothing but bankruptcy of intellectual capability, and also such immoral, totally unreasonable protest. For what?
Now, whereas our BJP state president B.Y. Vijayendran said that their struggle is against the Congress government, which has in fact neglected farmers. Slamming the state government, he also said that the only thing CM Siddaramaiah is doing is hiding his inefficiency, hiding the failures of the Congress government, in fact. He mentioned we are protesting with the 20,000 people and our protest is against the Congress government. He said that CM is criticizing the central government, but where does the money come from? And we are fighting about the problems of North Karnataka.
It's a duty to remind state government of its responsibility. Last couple of months, this Congress government is busy in infighting. Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister, is busy in saving his chair. D.K. Shivakumar is busy, is in a hurry to become a Chief Minister. Because of this, entire cabinet is campaigning in Delhi repeatedly. Because of this reason, the farmer issues are not been addressed by Siddaramaiah government. So our demand is the farmers who are already in a distressed condition. State government should come to the rescue of them.
Now, viewers, the protest was in fact organized by Belagavi district unit of the BJP. Senior opposition leaders, including R. Ashoka, BJP state president B.Y. Vijayendran, and several party MLAs also participated in this farmers' demonstration.
$3,550 FRP डिक्लेयर किया, मेज को 2,400 रुपीस MSP डिक्लेयर किया। अभी तक खरीदी केंद्र ओपन किया नहीं और FRP के वजह से शुगर फैक्ट्री मालिक वो लोग दे रहा है 3,100 रुपीस। वो अन्याय है। अन्याय के खिलाफ हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। इस सरकार आने के बाद बाढ़ आया, बाढ़ के वजह से लाखों हेक्टेयर जमीन में फसल का नुकसान हुआ। अभी तक उसको कंपनसेशन दिया नहीं। कंपनसेशन दिलाने के लिए हम लोग संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। किसानों को मुद्दा पकड़कर हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। हम किसानों को हित के वजह से हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं।